Imagine a world where artificial intelligence hits the job market like a tsunami. In just the next 2 years, AI could affect 60% of jobs in the developed world and 40% worldwide. But let's clarify what affected really means. It doesn't necessarily mean replaced. AI will indeed revolutionize the job market, but it won't completely take over. In fact, the AI revolution is set to generate over 97 million new jobs. This brings us to our second key takeaway. Goldman Sachs made a prediction last year, estimating that AI could replace 300 million full-time jobs. So, what's the big picture here? AI is both a disruptor and a creator. It could increase inequality if we're not prepared. Before AI, humans did the entire job. Now, with tools like ChatGPT, the writing can be automated, and humans just need to verify it. Coding, for instance, has always paid well. But verifying AI-generated code? Not as much. This shift means we need to adapt. If you're already in the job market, your mission is clear. Start using AI tools. Put on your thinking cap and embrace AI. Remember, AI will create 97 million new jobs. Your task is to identify what these jobs are and how you can be part of this new wave. So, stay informed, stay adaptable, and get ready to ride the AI wave. This is the future, and it's time to be a part of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on the future of work and technology.